channel. My name is Ifeoma Chukwu for all my new subscribers, and I am a YouTube content creator and I base more in natural health tutorials, DIY and motivational topic. I want to thank you all for joining the family. Thank you for subscribing, and to my old GC guys are always the best. Thank you for returning back. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. May God bless us all in Jesus' name. Amen. So in this video, I want to show you all how a new way you can use to peel your black eye beans. Yes, you know that black eye bean that we have that we always peel to use it to make mai, akara, every good thing. So you know it's always difficult to peel it. You can stay hours, minutes, hours trying to peel it, killing yourself, killing your hands, your fingers. So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy and stressless way you can use to peel the beans. Less than 3 minutes you have peeled your beans. You want to know how? Okay guys, here are the things you need for this. For this preparation. Here you need your bowl, your black eye beans, of course. You need a blender, and of course we need this. Okay, you know what it is, spatula. I think that is what it's called. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and soak these beans into the water. Okay, I will show you how I do that.
So guys, here is the beans. I have emptied it. I'm putting it into the container, and I'm going to go ahead right now and put it to water. I am using lukewarm water to do this. Okay,
I am putting water on it. I put it a little bit warm water, not that cold, warm water. The idea is that the beans will remain here and soaked to the water so that it will be very, very soft. Yes, because you need the beans to be really, really soft before you can use blender. Okay, why? Because when the beans is soft, it's more easier for it to peel into the blender. So you need to soak it very well. Allow it at least 1 hour to soak for 1 hour before you can begin to process it with the blender. Okay, so and I will see you in the next one hour. Keep on watching. Alright guys, so here is the beans. After 1 hour and 15 minutes I have put it in to soaked very well, and now it's now very soft, very, very soft, as you can see. Now you can now use
to peel the beans. Yes, you can use the blender now to peel the beans, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So basically you take a cup like this, and take the beans like this and pour it into the blender. Take another one depending on the size of your blender, okay, and put again, and as you can see where it's reaching. Now you don't want to blend the beans like this, because if you blend it like this, it will all blend. It will not peel but blend. Okay, so you want to peel the beans, right? So you're basically going to take another water, take a cup of water and pour into the beans to cover the surface of the beans. See the size of the water, it covers the beans. Okay, maybe 1 or 2 inches from the beans, the surface of the water. So this is how you want it to look. Okay, so now going ahead and take the cover and cover it. Now be careful, this is the crucial moment. You're going to put on the power to the minimum, to the lesser, not to the highest. Maybe my own is from 1 to I have different types, even though they are not sure, but you put it to the lowest power. Okay, so it goes like this. This is how you do it. You on it for a few seconds, you off it, you continue like this, then you on it, you continue, then you on it. See, the beans has already peeled. Okay, can you see it? Can you see? It has peeled. Trust me, the beans is peeled. But guys, this is the easiest way you can peel your beans. I'll go ahead and put another water to peel it well. Okay, to blend it well and cover it and blend it again. This is perfect. Now the beans is peeled. Trust me, believe me, it's peeled. Can you see that? You don't need to suffer yourself, don't need to suffer your hands, especially when we do manicure, we freshly get our nail done. Then we now remember that we have to peel beans. I now begin to wonder, how will you do now that I have put in manicure? So this is the easiest way you can use to peel your black eye beans. Okay, now that you have done this, now put it inside the container, and that is it. Can you see? Can you see it? It peels. It has peeled. I just need to wash it out, okay? But that will be later. So I'm going to show you again. You put, then you add water, enough. You add enough water, because if you don't add enough water, it will blend. It became smooth, and you don't want that. You just want to peel the beans. And you now go ahead and peel. Okay. Then you peel again. For the last time. And that is it. Very simple. Very simple. You see, this is how I peel my beans. Since I know this method, this is the method I use to peel my beans. Okay, me that I'm a busy mom, don't have time to always, because to peel beans, this kind of beans is very hard and it take a lot of time. So this is the very simple ways you can use to peeling your beans. I hope you like. Okay guys, here is the finishing result. See, can you believe that this beans was peeled with blender? Can you believe? Not with hand, although there is all a little bit pieces, but it's fine, because after all you're going to blend it to use it to prepare whatever you want to prepare. But guys, give me a credit. This is good. This is a very useful video. Okay, can you see? This beans was peeled with blender, not with hand. Okay, give me a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe, and share it to your friends and family who you know that might be needing this video. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.